is me, which man Today, I am playing Roblox Blood Survival, and today I have with me Lucky Lemonsqeacy, but my YouTube channel is Lemonsqeacy. There's no Lucky in it. It's just to say I have gravity coil. Whee! And I have a parachute. Wait, what? That's not useful. Gravity coils are better. Actually, no, because I can float. Yeah, I know, but you can fall with style. You fall with style. I'm gonna go here. Whee! Don't kill me, bro. I'm leaving. Whee! Shut up. I was inside the chimney. I was inside the chimney. Shut up. I was inside the chimney the whole time. Wait, what? I did not even see you in the chimney. Okay, follow me, okay? Okay. If you can. I'm following you. No, please. Where are you? I told you, follow me if you can. Well, just to say, I'm in the... Yay! I beat you again. I just get my parachute out of nowhere. What? You don't need that parachute. You need a gravity coil. No, I need a parachute. Now I need a speed coil. Get your parachute out. Oh, no, wait, you don't have one. I don't have one. But I can get one. Oh, they're mine. Dude, we're falling with style. Whee! I'm stepping on these boxes. Whoa, we actually won. Wait, if it's farm, I need to show you exactly where to go. Where? Alright, this is okay. But dude, on farm, if you go to that house, go inside it and go to a house. Go inside it and go to a window and jump into it. It's such an achieve. Like, it's such a hack, you can never die. What? Never, ever, ever die? Yeah, except this failed me a few times. What? But that was a long time ago. Actually, what is your problem? Yeah, do like that. So we can see each other better. Yeah, but I prefer this view. And plus, I can never die like this view. I could never die with this view. Oh, never mind. I'm on the staircase. Oh, but I'm on the roof. Ooh, let's hear some jazz music. Oh, never mind. Oh, let's do it again. Oh, no. Hey, I can do the same tune. Look where I am. I will never die here, trust me. Yeah, I'm going to you. Wait, what? I've been there. I died. No, I don't. Well, I've almost died there. Oh no! The water is rising. Okay, how much for the balloon? Hey, you mean the banana? No, but where's the balloon? How will we get the balloon? Oh, we need the Robux. Yep. And I just got the balloon out of nowhere. Oh, I got a speed coil. Actually, I'm saving up to 200 and make you slip. What? You can make people slip and die? Yeah. Well, I got this stuff right now. Whee! Look at it. Hey. Whee! Hey, lady, move it. Oh. Bye. Are you sure you're gonna go in there again? Yeah, I never die. Oh, sorry, bro. I gotta leave. Bye. Wait, you do? Yeah. Why? Battery. Dude, you can charge out my charger. It's over here. Whoops. Dude, I don't think we have the same charger. Danny, I never said you could use it. Wait, let me see. You never said I could use your charger? Oh, it's mine. Yours? Yeah, it's mine. There. Alright, hey, dude, come on. Okay. Okay, guys, it's just me now. The guy left me forever. A farm. Going on cactus. I'm back. I'm back in Lemonsqeacy. Wait, is there anything for me? No, do not. What is it? It's a gun. Go downstairs. Do I get one more?
No, is it like
Do I get one more? No. It's going on. Okay, guys. I'm just gonna do. What's it called? I'm just gonna go, not talk, and be alone. No?
Mine's the unopened one. Danny! Come here! Huh? Where's my drum? Huh? Where's my drum?
I don't have it.
It was right here with my shirt, dude.
Look at what I got there. Somebody else took it.
Yo, what the heck? What the heck?
Hey guys, look at what I got. I got an exclamation point and a 2-layer gun. Dude, come back. Come on, I need you.
This one was mine!
I'll trade you this one.
Where's Willie?
That's somebody else's.
What the heck?
Where's William's drum? No.
Down there.
That's
Here. This is all. No, that's not mine. That's not mine. This is mine. That's mine. This is mine.
William, which one's yours?
My dad, Dad.
One shot. This one's 2 shots. Whether this was